5. Is that Noah Andrus? I believe that's the 5 car of Noah Andrus.
So we'll say that's the number 5 of Noah Andrus.
And it was the 87, not 97, of Greg Witt, also in there.
Right. Green flag and worse, original Sixer racing. Getting these names. Oh, look out! The 01 David Cooter Jr. and the 19 of Kevin Byer. That almost got wild and crazy right there. Beerman's coming around to try to take the lead, but it's Kevin Byer to hang in there. That's to give Beerman no leeway whatsoever.
It's because it's a tasty night for one?
I'd say so.
As he went high in the turns 1 and 2 and lost everything as the 19 car of Kevin Byer bought that one, and there is trouble in turns 3 and 4.
It's Beerman in the 97 car, 87 car.
Greg Witt.
Of Witt, got all ugly there.
But not off the track. Both of them did a great job of maintaining their vehicles, but it's still that number 19 car of Kevin Byer out front.
All these cars having 6-cylinder motors, which is why they call them the original Sixers. So it's Byer, Cooter. Then it's Witt.
Byer has not won a heat out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Wisconsiners are winning tonight here at the Rockford Speedway.
Whoa, Beerman in the 33 of Ryan Ford. Almost got ugly there. Ryan Ford slamming his brakes on.
Out of Beloit, Wisconsin.
My mistake. That's the 51X of Kevin Collins, not the Beerman. He's in the other 51 car. They just like to make our jobs harder, Miss Eric.
Well, it's better than Austin Fowler. He drove the 51X the last time.
That's right.
As we come to the checkered flag, it's going to be the 19 car of Kevin Byer with your win. The old car of David Cooter Jr. in second.
Yeah, the 51X car, he's also got a nickname. We got to learn all their nicknames here. That's 51X, that's the Biscuit. They call him Biscuit. So I've got Beerman and Biscuit driving the 51 cars tonight. How about that?
We need gravy.
Yeah. Biscuits and gravy. Spectator drag drivers, time is winding down. Get over into the pit shack.
You want to give me your keys, John?
Get signed up. Nope. Who wants to give Eric their keys? Anybody's got an extra car?
I'll drive it.
He might take it easy, right, Eric? Yeah?
I will definitely take it over the top and off the track.
All right. Well, right now, we got our winner out there in the middle of the track. I don't know if he's getting out or not. Looks like he's not. He's getting his picture now. Let's give him a warm round of applause. That is the 19 of Kevin Byer.